Hello, in this video I will show you how to download the official Windows 11 from the Microsoft. So to do that, you just open a browser and search Windows 11 download. And in the first link, it's from Microsoft.com. You just click it, and it gives you three options. If you already have a Windows 10, you can use in the installation assistant. And the second option is download the installation media. This one, you can create a bootable DVD of a USB. It's bootable. And the third option is download Windows 11 disk image. So I will show you the third option. You select download Windows 11 and you click download. It will give you an option to choose the language. You can choose the English. Confirm. After you confirm, it will show you only the 64 GB download option. So you click download, and it will start downloading the Windows 11. After that, it has all the let me see. It has all the version of Windows 11, include Home and Professional. So this download will include all of them. So when you click Setup, it will give you option which one you want to select for the installation. Okay, so it will take me about 15 minutes to download. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.